YouTube video. So these are my pet birds. Say hi. They don't know how to talk. Oh, look at what they're doing. What they're doing. Stop it. Stop it. Look. Look. If I put it on the top, they'll get scared. They don't like cameras. Look at that. Very good camera angle. Where's the other one? Hello? Oh, there's it. I found it. Look how it eats its food. Why don't you eat your food properly? Wait. What's it doing? Look at that one. Look at its tongue. Its tongue. It's opening its mouth. Ew! Gross. What is she doing? Hello? Hi. I was like, what's wrong with you? You too? Wait, look at its face. Wait, look at its face. Where's that other one? Here it is. Look at how it's going to eat its food. It doesn't want to eat food. Where are you? I'm just playing with the camera. So that's it for today, guys. Today. That's enough. That's enough chirping for enough.